Hello everyone! We're continuing our mission to pass every human benchmark test with flying colors using code. Today's test is called number memory. You have to remember what number is being shown to you and enter it into a text box on the next screen. So here we enter the number 1, which was correct, and now we see the number 69. Nice. And we will also type it in on the next screen. The number of digits shown increases every round by 1. In our code, we will need to click this button that has the text next, all uppercase. The number we have to enter will be in a div with the class big number. The text box is just an input element. And lastly, the submit button has the text submit inside it. Now we have all the necessary information to locate the HTML elements in the code.
A few moments later.
Here's the code. At the top, I import all the libraries I'll be using, including Selenium and keyboard. I define my start and stop button to be the P key on the keyboard. Then I open this test using Selenium like so. And then we look for the element that contains our number, which has the class big number. We will continuously search for the submit button, and once that appears, we will enter our guess using the keyboard library and then click the submit button. After a small delay, we will find and click the next button. All of this is in a while loop, so it will just keep going. Let's try it out. I hit the P key to start the program, and it looks like it's working. Now I'll log into my TechTribe account, and it's time for a full run. Alright, I think I've proven my point that this can go on forever. I will stop the program and intentionally make some mistakes to finish the run. With a score of 80, we're easily in the 100th percentile, checking another human benchmark test off our list. Subscribe to my channel to watch me finish up the challenge.